This conference.
Okay, fine. Our today's concept is update set. So, what is update set in ServiceNow, and what is the role update set can able to do in ServiceNow? We'll see today. So, by looking at the definition, what I can say is update set is a group of customizations that can be moved from one instance to another instance. That can be moved from one instance to another instance. So, in every technology, we can have three kinds of environments. Like one is dev environment, development. The other one is test or QA environment. This will be used for testing. The next one is production. End users will use this. In the dev environment, for example, for our demo instances, our ServiceNow instances, it can be like dev88397.service-now.com. But if you are working in one organization, the instance will be, what's the dev dot? What is the company? So what's the dev dot? Service-now.com. Coming to the test. What's the test dot? Service-now.com. The production is what's the dot? Service-now.com. What's the dot? Service-now.com. In the dev environment, we will do the development. In the test environment, we will do the testing. In the production environment, people will work on and people will use the production. For example, you have implemented the code in dev environment. So it took around 3 months to complete the development. So again, will you take 3 months to do the development in QA? No. Whatever we have developed, whatever we have implemented in the span of 3 months code, we can move that entire code within minutes. So the concept update set will be used to move the code, to move the customizations from one instance to another instance, like from the dev environment to test environment, and from test environment to production environment, we will move the code. For example, I have a home in one city. Okay, city one you can see. I have a furniture and some other things, blah 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 blah. .etc. I have everything with me, and I am moving to some other home in the another city. I am moving to some other home in another city. Will I buy all these things? No. I will move all this entire stuff to my new home with the help of some like travel agencies or packers or movers. Who is the mediator? This guy is the mediator. Like the same update set is working. Like the same update set is working. You just need to simply remember update set is a group of customizations that can be moved from one instance to another instance. For example, whatever the code we have implemented in the dev environment, that code we will migrate to the production environment, test environment with the help of the updates. Any doubts till here? Any doubts? Are we good to go? Any doubts? This is the basic agenda. Any doubts? Bayo, Bhargavi, Arti, Sharat, Krishna, Omkar. Any doubt? Very important concept. We have a less people in the class today so that we are able to close in 30 minutes. But I'm gonna cover this class. Why? Because I have provided some assignment. So you people can practice that assignment using this concept. You need to start. If you are working in ServiceNow, you should remember before start the work. You should remember to create update set. This is the default one. Okay. Whenever you start the work in ServiceNow, you should remember to create update set first. Then only you can start the work. Don't start the work in instance without creating an update set. How you can create updates? Everything we are doing from the filter navigator only. Update set. There is a local update set. Click on that. Create new. Example update set. To move code to another instance. And whenever we are doing something in the ServiceNow, we should understand how each and every field will work. Here the name of the update set. So here the state is, whenever we are doing the development, we are using this update set. The state should be in progress. Once we completed with our development, we are ready to move this update set code, the entire code, to the another environment. That should be complete stage. I'm gonna tell you how it will be. And ignore if you are implemented something but you don't want to move that code to the another instance. You want to ignore that. You just need to ignore the state is ignored. And the parent is some of the functionality you have implemented in the other update set. So later on, some additional functionality came. So in addition to that functionality, you need to add this functionality to the data world update set, so that we can make that first update set as a parent and the additional requirement update set to the child. Release date. If you want to use the release date, you want to some particular 2 weeks or 1 week, you want to release this update set, you can mention that release the date. Description. Explain and put the notes clearly what you are going to do in the update set. For example, this update set is used to, I am creating some sample table and moving that table to the another instance. So here what I'm saying, this update set is used to capture the sample table, not the sample table. You can say US elections, US election results. Capture the US election results. And once you create the update set, you want to make that update set is the current one. Whatever the development you are doing, you want to capture that in this update set. Make that update set is submit and current. When you make that update set is submitted current, your current update set has been changed to example this one, whatever the name you given, you will get that back. So this is your current update set. So you are getting 2 icons, right? How you get these 2 icons? Go to the settings and go to the developer and make that show application picker header is turn on this. See, there's the background turning on, turning off. Here the same, turning on, turning off. Okay. So these 2 will come from there, from the developer tab, from the settings. So this is my current update set. So whatever I am doing here in the ServiceNow instance, everything will be captured here. But some of the things not captured in the update sets, I will discuss tomorrow. But right now, this is my update set. Whatever I am doing, everything will be captured in my current update set. So this is my current update set, you can see here. So I'm gonna create one table. Create a table. So tables under system definition, tables. And create new. Make it like US election result. And create module is true, everything is true, and submit. And make that auto number is true. And submit. So I just created one table. So I want to migrate this code obviously to the test environment. So if you go to the current update set, you can check that current table is captured or not in this update set. See, there are 19 updates. So whenever the table is created, some of the fields will get created, some of the roles will get created, everything will capture here. See, everything is captured. Now, whenever that Table is created. There is the application menu and application module also will create. So that I want to design the form. VS selection result. Create new. Go to the form design. And make it 2-column layout. Remember, whenever you are designing a table, make sure that here which table you are going to design UX selection result. Make sure which table you are going to design. That table should be present here. Number. And here I gonna say voting percentage of candidate. So I gonna make it string. So I can mention here voting percentage of Trump U_vote_Trump. The same voting percentage of Biden U_vote_Biden. Save and reload it. But my number is still not read only, so make that number is read only from here. Save. So this is what I just created. Okay, like, and I'm gonna create one choice field with the help of string only. Hours. U_HR. In the hours, I'm gonna create some kind of choices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not hours, we'll see rounds. That's better. U_RD. 7, 8, 9, 10. And reload it. So I just need to create that round 1. This guy is having 50, and this guy is having, sorry, this guy is having 40, this guy is having 60. Submit. So I gonna get those fields also, rounds and these two guys. And new. And round 2, this guy is having 45, this guy is having 55, and so. So each and every round, how many how much percentage they got in each round, we are created this table for them to show the live. You can show the live also. Okay, so that kind of real-time functionality we have created here for for the example of that update set. So whatever I have created, everything captured here. So I want to move this table information to the test environment. You just need to imagine I have another instance that is my test environment. So Krishna got the automate the red team. So this is my other instance. So here if you say US elections, I don't have that table. So I want to move that entire table to this instance. How I can do that? Go to the update set, which is you created. You can click on this icon. You can go to directly that update set, or else update set, local update set, whatever you created, open that. If you are not able to find that, star whatever name you have given, example, I got it, and open that. And when you moving the code from one instance to the another instance, first open the update set you have created and make that state should be complete. In the related links, merge with another update set is there, but when you save it, you will get export to XML. In the form of XML, we are moving the code. See, you got the export to XML. Once you got the export to XML, click on export to XML. It will download one XML file. After that, go to your other instance. Here type RETRI. If you type RETRI, you will get retrieved update sets. Once you get the retrieved update set, under related links, import update set from XML and select that update set here. Once you select that update set, click on upload. Once you click on upload, the same update set name, whatever the name you have, the same you will get it in the test instance. You just need to imagine this is test environment. Okay. And the state should be loaded. Open that. If you are not able to find it again, same search. Go here and whatever the name you have given, star, and give it that name, whatever you given, and open that. Once you open it, you need to make preview update set. Click on preview update set. Once you click on preview update set, it will tell you like if you have any errors in the update set, there is a conflict with the existing functionality, it will tell you the errors. Right now I don't have errors, so that I got all success, all 27 inserted here. You can see that, and click on close. Once you previewed, After that, if you want to preview again, you can preview again, or else you can click on commit update set. I have committed the update set and close it. And update. Now, if you come here, this is the instance I have implemented the code. Like I have created the table, and I have created some records here, 2 records. Now, if you go here, I did not implement anything. I just moved the update set. By using the update set, I have migrated that code to here. So if I type US selections here, the same functionality I have. See, but there is no records. So using the update set, the records will not be moved. If you want to move the records from the dev to test, most probably like people will not move that test environment records to the dev environment. Sorry, dev environment records to the test environment. But sometimes some of the data we need to move, the records will not be captured in the update set. So records will not be captured in the update set. Groups will not be captured in the update sets. Users will not be. Views will not be. Don't views. Schedule jobs. Schedule jobs will not be captured. In interviews, they will ask you a question like what is update set and how we can move the update set. And what are all the things it will not capture in the update sets. Update set is a group of customization that can be moved from one instance to the another instance. And while we are moving the update sets, we can move the update sets. There are 2 ways. Like one is like we can move the update set manually, like go to the update set and make the state is complete. Once you make the state is complete, you will get that export XML under the related links. Click on that, one XML will be downloaded. After that, go to the other instance and type retrieve update sets in the filter navigator, and we will get the list of update sets from the list, retrieve update sets, and open that update set that should be in the loaded state and make that update set to be previewed. Once the update set is previewed, we can commit the update set. So all the updates we have in the dev environment will come in the test environment. And groups will not be captured in the update set, and records will not be captured in the update set. Users will not captured in the update sets, and scheduled jobs will not be captured in the update sets. And if you want to move those groups, users, scheduled jobs, records, by using XMLs, we can move. By using XMLs, we can move to another instance. Okay. Like how we can move? Right click on any of the field and export XML. Download. Go to the other instance, same, right click. Now this time import XML. Get the XML file imported. Upload. Now you can see the records whichever we are having in the dev environment to the testing. This is what the process moving update set from one instance to the another instance. I'm gonna stop today. Why? Because many of the people I did not see in the meeting. Like yeah, many of them are not there in the meeting. So I just want to wrap up the call for today. See you tomorrow. We have a class, continuous classes this weekend. So Please practice the assignment whatever I give.
This conference will now be recorded.